Welcome to the Datagrid Binders tutorial. The purpose of binders mirrors that of physical binders in the real world, with a few enhancements. Essentially, binders allow you to group any number of reports together, which can then be either sent to clients or scheduled for future delivery to a technician's mobile device for reinspection of items. To access the Binders user interface, simply hover over Manage and select Binders. In the upper right corner, you'll notice two green buttons. The Explore button enables navigation through your entries with filtering options by form, year, work order, contact, site, owner, and author. The New button creates a new record. The row at the top of the columns allows you to set criteria to filter your page results. Each line features a checkbox on the left, activating the green buttons at the bottom left: Copy, Push, and Delete. Additionally, four green buttons to the right of each line offer options for Edit, Copy, Print, and Send. The Page Navigator on the bottom right facilitates navigation between pages when additional pages are present. Now, let's delve into the structure of binders by selecting the top item. You'll discover 7 page tabs beneath the binder header. On the upper right, there's a New button for creating a new binder and a Browse button for accessing your binders page. The first tab on the left enables you to create a new record, push the current record to one or many mobile devices, print the current binder to a PDF, or delete it. Moving to the Details tab, you can adjust the title, add a description, and input comments. The alphanumeric number entry area accepts inputs and displays below the title on the binders page. In the Reports tab, you have the flexibility to manage the reports within your binder. To browse available reports that are not currently in your binder, click the Browse button to the right side of the page. You can choose to add reports individually using the Add button, located on the right of each report entry, or for bulk additions, select the checkboxes adjacent to the reports of interest and clicking the Add button situated at the bottom left. In the Recipients tab, you can select recipients to immediately send the binder. The list of recipients is populated from the attached recipients to the reports. The Work Order tab operates similarly to the Reports tab, allowing you to link work orders to the binder. Understanding the advantages of attaching work orders and binders is further elaborated in the Work Orders tutorial. The Delivery Log tab displays all delivery instances and related information for the binder. Finally, the Print Options tab offers various printing options for the complete binder with or without reports, and allows you to organize the order in which print templates are printed. Thank you for reviewing Datagrid's Binders tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and updates on Datagrid's powerful features.